Legends, what's going on today? Another recap. The markets are pretty hot right now, and keep mentioning this. A lot of these assets are right at the bottom, right? A lot of them are breaking and retesting. So I want to just, cover a quick alts to see if we can get in some really good profits and just get some really good entries. Okay, so today I just want to do a bit of a recap on ADA. Okay. ADA is forming this nice squeeze pattern. On the daily, we are at that sticking point. So this is a major sticking point, okay, or a resistance level. So it's going to take a little bit to get through. And we're just going to consolidate here. Looks like we've found the levels that it wants to respect, which is between here and here. So it's starting to gear up nicely. But once this pops, we should create a really nice push to that dollar mark, even to the high $1.15 areas with a 1.6 extension. But we're in a pretty solid bull market right now. So long term, I don't know where things go, but I stay on the right side of market structure. Okay. I don't like to do predictions and things like that. I'll follow patterns like this, like pushes, sideways push, sideways push, sideways push, sideways until we break momentum, and then I'll cut my profits on my short term. If I'm long term, same deal, right? My targets are bigger, trading on higher time frames. So whether it's a daily, all right? So we're pushing up, for example, we go sideways, we push up. If we got market structure like this, right? Doesn't matter what time frame it is. If we, for example, if you're trading the 1 hour, right? And we got this on the 1 hour or the 4 hour, but then we break, then you cut your profits and then wait till it starts to go back bullish. Sorry, I'm not a good drawer. Same thing on the daily time frame. Same thing across all time frames. It's just your mindset around that asset and how long you want to hold it and how your psychology can handle those deep pullbacks and the big pullbacks and things like that. So, if in doubt, zoom out. Okay, so ADA is looking really good. Let's check BNB. I really like this one. Like we're right at a support level, and the market's just going sideways, right? We've got a lot of indecision here, but from this point here, it's like a 14% move. So this should move pretty quickly. It should move pretty quickly. Hey, just understanding that pressure build, right? It's like a spring. When springs compress, when you let them go, that energy expands. So the same sort of thing here. So I would expect this to push up to the 709 mark pretty decent. Okay, so BNB is looking really good. Let's check XRP once again. Same sort of thing, right? We're waiting for these 4 hour EMAs to push out. It's looking really healthy on all time frames. This is following, that sort of trend, right? We're playing around with that now. So we're forming this nice pattern here. Same thing, push out, sideways market, and then we continue up in a healthy market, right? Let's check out GALA. Really nice break and retest on this daily time frame here. All right, mentioned this the other day. We got this, and now we're home and hose. Nothing's ever home and hose. However, from this point to there or to here, like we can even target up here, right? It's a pretty decent move from here. It's like a 76% move, right? From where we were mentioning this the other day. So Gala's a really nice asset to be holding. On the 4 hour time frame. All right, let's look at sand. So we're above this. We had this really nice spike out. Of course, we're going to get that rejection. Why? Because the 12-hour or daily EMAs haven't pushed this out. So we're just going to hover here for a little bit, right? And then once these EMAs push this out here, we should see that nice move. So like I'm already building positions in here for that next leg up. Let's check out audio. Audio is still under that key level. So this is what I'm talking about, where understanding market structure on the higher time frame. Okay, right? So we've got like this downtrend, we go sideways, usually we continue down, right? But if we break structure, it's telling us that the momentum's shifting. And then you've got the bull run. You've got Trump getting into presidency and things like that. And there's really positive vibes around here. So this sort of stuff, like if you see this, right, down, sideways, we've got a lot of congestion through here. This is pretty much every single crypto on the market, right? Like soon as we see something break like this, it's like, well, where's our next key levels, right? So we can have really nice higher time frames targets where we can wait for it to break and retest. And there's a 45% move there, right? And these things will move pretty quickly because there's not much structure happening through here. Okay, so audio's a nice one on the list as well. Okay, and then let's just check out, two more. TLM, same thing, down, sideways, break of that structure. Might come back and retest that. But I really like Band. Band is a really nice one right now. Like, look at this. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with this. Like 4 hour EMAs are pushing this out nicely. The daily time frame, where's that sitting? We could just sit around here for a little bit longer and then have that big push, but there's nothing from here to here. All right. There is nothing from here to here. So that's a 15% move. If you're leverage trading that, if you're spot trading that, it's a pretty simple trade. It's just like trading from level to level, right? So it's not too hard. And then we can, even sort of look at like this level up here as well. That's sort of like your main level there. So a 30% move from here to here. We just got a little bit of a sticking point here. Okay. But we need to get past this level to get to this level. But we've broken this level and we're holding above here, which is really, really positive, really healthy. Okay. So band is really good as well. And I think that will do it for today. There's what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 assets to be looking at, to be trying to, identify trades and things like that. So yeah, good luck.